Hopefully you'll have seen some of my other online videos where I give you ideas on how you can use acoustic panel wallboards. First off, I started in our office. Now we drilled, plugged and screwed these panels to the wall, covering the entire wall from left to right, and then finished it off with some lovely shelves. And then we applied them to a stud wall in our new office area. This is where I built a stud wall first, then applied the acoustic panel wallboards and fixed these into position using adhesive. Then I also created a feature headboard in our bedroom, at the back of our bed, creating a partition wall between the bedroom and the ensuite. However, I was left with some small offcuts, so I'm certainly not going to let them go to waste. Here in our new office, we had a SIP panel building built and we created some recesses in here. So what I've done is I've cut these down to size and they are going to be glued and fitted right the way to the back. And I'm sure you'll agree, they'll look fantastic in there. Measure up and cut your offcuts down to size. Double check that they fit before you apply your adhesive. Then you can apply the adhesive on the back using a silicone gun. Place into position and press all four corners till it's flush against the back. It's worth checking out the Walls and Floors website to see the vast range of colours, sizes and styles that they offer. For more how-to videos, like and follow.